we can get the row by using MySQL iFetch, and printr will show the array. But this is very temporary to show the result, so you cannot directly show this one. So how to parsing it to let it become more clearly? And this one is array. Since array should be looks like this one, we have a CNAME, CNAME, and the value of CNAME is ANN. And this one is gender, GENDER. The value is 1. So 1 by 1, 7 in here, age is 2, and star sign is 9. Message is da 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 da. And this array is called row. So how to make it more beautiful? You can use a row. In this array, I have a drawer called a CNAME. Please save the value to CNAME, this variable. So I can extract a value and save to a variable ANN. 1 by 1 to extract the value GENDER from row, and we have a gender equals to it. So 1 by 1 to extract all value from array, and use echo. Right now this one is a string, so we can echo. The first record is CNAME. CNAME, and next one gender, and so on. Okay, so we extract the data from array. So here we have a CNAME, and this row contains CNAME and gender, star sign, and what else? And go here, star sign, gender, age, and message, and age. So save to the variable, message, and age. So we can use echo to show your name is, this one is CNAME. Gender, star sign, message. This one is age. So we can use echo to show the variable out. So use a BR to separate it. BR. Okay, so go to the browser, refresh. So you can see in the original, this one is array, and we extract a value from array. Your name is ANN, gender is 1, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so try to extract the row value from row, okay? And give one HR. HR is horizontal line. So you can see, refresh. We will have a horizontal row and extract the name from here, gender from here, age from here, and so on. Okay, so this one is the first record in table. Okay, so screenshot. Okay, good. So we use a MySQL I query to get the whole object. This one is called the results. And use MySQL I fetch to extract the first row from the object result. So this one is called row. So if I want to get the next record, I just use another MySQL I fetch. So he will go to this row. And this MySQL I fetch will have a flag. So after I finish read this one, he will shift to the next row. So when I use a MySQL I fetch, he will read the next record and show it up. So I can copy all those functions, those instruments once again. So he will extract the next record and show it up. So try it. I can extract the next record by using MySQL I fetch and use those things to parse it. So this one is the second one. I don't want to show the array, so I just delete the array, okay? So refresh. So you can see I extract the next row. This one is the second one. So how to extract the next one? The third one is copy this one and paste once again. So I can get the next row. So do you think that is a correct writing style? No, because I'm not sure how many rows inside the array, right? So you cannot copy paste directly. So how to solve the problem? If this one will repeat a lot of time, how to let become a loop? Before we ever teach you a loop, a for loop, right? But for loop is under, you know how many rows inside array, how many times you want to repeat. But in here, we have no idea how many rows, how many records in the array or in the object. So we can use another. Okay, you can see this one is we want to repeat. And go back to the whiteboard. In here, this one is we want to repeat. When you don't know how many times you want to repeat, you can use another tools. This tool is called while. While is a function. When the function inside, this one is true, then he will repeat the things. When this one is false, he will go out. So when you recode or you fetch the record from result, every time he will return back, yes, I can read the record. And when the flag is in here, yes, when you fetch it, he will return true. But when the flag in here, he will return false. So we can use while. While you read the record from result, it can read the data. Yes, he will go in here to parse it, to show up the things. When you can read the record, yes, he will go here. When you cannot extract anything, he will go out because he will return false. And one more thing that you need to remember it, because this one, you have a semicolon in here. But right now, you are inside the while loop, so you cannot have a semicolon in here. Got it? So let me modify this one. This one will repeat a lot of time. And I will use while, W-H-I-L-E, while. This one is a function. We have a wrong bracket, and delete the semicolon in here. While this one is true, he will repeat the things within this instrument. So we have a curly bracket to arrange. Here we'll repeat when roll fetch the record is true. Okay? So let me go back to here and refresh. You can see, oh, every record is show up in here. So I will go back to HW12 and add one more item. I, others, cancel, year, message, SS. Okay, so after insert the data, I will go here and refresh. So I is show up in here. Got it? So screenshot, add while loop in here. Remember, delete the semicolon from the instrument. Other things, use tab, T-A-B, tab, T-A-B, T-A-B, to let the program align to the next bracket. Okay, so 2 minutes.